Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Leave a nigga humble like them, we're getting dropped cause we live a rumble like Jackie in the Bronx, we gon' take our place off.
Let's start. First open Capcut. Go to New Project. And add one photo. Select Format 916. Adjust photo to full screen. Delete the end part. Now start screen recorder and record this process. Tap on photo and go to Style. Slide left and tap on 3D Zoom Pro. Tap on right click and then go to Effect. And then Video Effect and slide left to Party. Now scroll up and tap on Strobe Effect. Now play the video. Now turn off your screen recording and export this video. Now go back to New Project and add your screen recorded video. Select Format 916. Now adjust video to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now split the video from the position where you are about to play the video. Delete the rest of the part of the video. Delete the end part too. Now tap on video and go to speed. Increase the speed of video so that the length decrease. Increase the speed of video until the video duration comes between 14.5 to 15 seconds. Now tap on plus icon and add the exported video. Now check the video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.